How today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro, and I'll show you the how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and here if you want to add some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon and tap to edit swatches. So just to add some of these available options, you should just hold it and drag the icon to this up section by this way. To remove some of them from here by the same way, you should just hold the option and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To save the changes, click to done, or if you want to reset all of the changes, tap to reset and confirm your action. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.